Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Finally, Nano Banana Pro got released from Gemini, and here you see that this is their pricing that they have mentioned. And if you want to try it for free, just go to this LM Arena, and there you can compare this Gemini 3 Pro new Nano Banana Pro with the Nano Banana also. Here you see what I have did. On the left hand side I have this Nano Banana Pro, and on the right hand side we have this Nano Banana. And here you see that the prompt that I have given, and I have got this kind of output. So on the right hand side from the Nano Banana, the previous model, the image is fine, but on the left hand side the output from the Nano Banana Pro, if you see that the image is like a live image. Okay, so this is more emotional. So from this point of view I can surely say that this Nano Banana Pro, there is a huge improvement. And also here you see that you can make a full comic book from this Nano Banana Pro. So this person, this Amer Resi, he is an lead product at the Google AI Studio. He shared this link and also the demo. Here you see Nano Banana Pro 2 personalized comic book. I vibe coded an app that puts you and a friend inside an adventure. It generates genuinely creative stories where you make the decisions with incredible text rendering in 10 languages. So if I just place myself on the right hand side, and after that if I play this video, then you will understand. So see this video here. So let me play it from the beginning. Here what they are doing, this is the UI, and here basically you can upload the first one, the hero, and second one is the co-star. Okay, so these two photo are required, means you can say that one is your photo, another one is this your friend photo. Okay, now after that after you can upload this. So after uploading all of that photos, and you can select this language and all of that things. Now click on this OK, and here you see that comic book is ready. So this is the comic book that is made by Nano Banana Pro. Okay, it is fine, right? And after that, here you see that there are some of the examples like Nano Banana Pro can annotate the diagrams. So this is the diagram, this is the diagram, where you will ask Nano Banana that please annotate this, so it will annotate every part of that image. Okay, and also if you go to their official platform Google AI Studio, they have given some of the examples like if you keep this kind of cap and the dresses, all of the things, then it will make this kind of images here. And not only that, here you see that it will give you the plan view also, the temple, the home, the house. Okay, and after that here you see this is the process, means if you want to make some kind of fruit juice, then how can do that, this also will explain you. And also any kind of illustrated example that you want to make, that also you can do. Okay, so this is the thing that I wanted to share with you guys. And also another thing, okay, this is the another prompt that I have tried. You see that Coca-Cola promotion brand, that if you want to make, then this kind of output you will get. Right hand side is the Nano Banana, left hand side is the Nano Banana Pro. Okay, so please try it. And another thing is that if you want to try it inside Google AI Studio, then you need a paid API key. So here you see that first you have to link your API key, and after that only you will be able to use this Nano Banana Pro. But if you want to try it for free, just go to this lmarena.ai, then open a new chat and select this image from here. Okay, first you will see here, click on this image icon, and after that in this drop down you can select this Nano Banana Pro, and on the right hand side you can select any other model like GPT image or Honey One image, and also this Nano Banana. And here you can compare it side by side, or you can do the direct chat also. Okay, so this is the things. Here it is completely free, and you can try it. And please try it and let me know your experience in the comment section. So guys, if you have visiting this, if you found this video helpful, and if you are visiting this channel for the first time, please make sure you like this video and subscribe this channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.